Today in this video, we are going to talk about why your website isn't broken, it's just dumb. So what does that exactly mean? You're probably wondering. I've been in this space for quite a while now. I think 17 or more years doing digital marketing, website optimization. I'm a web developer myself, marketer, all of that, right? And one of the biggest things that I've noticed for websites is it's not about how pretty it looks. It's more about how intentional the website is. So if you have just an okay, you probably have seen them, a super okay looking website. I mean, even if you go to Amazon, right? Just think about it. Is Amazon the prettiest website? Right? Like it's white, it's just there. You got a bunch of blocks, right? And it's improved over time. Like, I'm not to, bash on Amazon too much because multi-million billion-dollar company, right? But their website itself is not necessarily like the prettiest. And you sort of like have to wonder is like, as a business owner and as someone who is seeking to compete in this online marketing space, whether you're a local business or you are a online business or you're a coach or consultant or providing a service, there are websites that are basically just not looking the best. You don't have to spend a lot of money on, but yet they are pumping out consistent leads, consistent appointments, and consistent support for their entire business. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why your website isn't broken. It doesn't need to be fixed, but yeah, it might just be dumb. And one of the biggest I'll give 3 examples of this. And then if you find yourself having these sort of situations and you want more of a deeper look at the end of this video, I will give you, an option how to take that next step. But overall, like step number 1 is your website likely isn't built to close, right? What do I mean by that? I just mean that the intention is not there for the user. The intention is there for you, right? And that's probably one of the biggest mistakes that I've noticed in this website space, or this online space, is people will build an online brand so that they can promote what they want. But here's the thing. Your users don't want what you want. Your users want what they want. So knowing that that's just how human nature is, you can literally promote your website in a way and build your website in a way that is for the user, so that when they read it, they're like, okay, I resonate with that. I am this person that they're talking about. I know what they're doing, right? But because basically the first thing you do, if you go to a brand new website, first thing you do is you're thinking, the same reason why you might have clicked on this video. First thing you do is, am I in the right place? Who is this for? What do they do? And why do I care? I mean, as simple as that, like the websites itself, like just trying to understand like who this website is built for, what do they do, and why should I care? For example, Amazon. Let's just use Amazon as an example. Amazon doesn't need the prettiest site, but you know what? People go to Amazon.com for a specific reason. And that's one reason to buy stuff. Why do they do that? I mean, they feel like buying stuff, right? Regardless of what it is. I mean, Amazon, you don't see Amazon just promoting like, oh, we have the next shampoo, right? We have the next this, we have the next that, right? They're not promoting products specifically. I mean, yes, they have, advertising for products when you're searching for that specific product so that you go to Amazon over, like, go to Target or Walmart, so they do have competitors in the e-commerce space, but they're just promoting the fact that they make shopping online easy, right? That's the intention. So the user going to that, the intention is to make shopping online easy. And then who is it for? I mean, that's who it's for. So the person it's built for is the shopper. It's not saying, okay, well, submit this form and then we'll look around and then we'll find whatever product you want. No, they build it specifically to make shopping easy for the shopper, for the user. That's the intention of who it's for. And then you get into segments, right? One's for like more corporate shopping. One's for more, like subscribe and save on diapers. One's for more, different kinds of users on the site. And that's where personalization comes in. That's where data comes in, right? You can absolutely continue to optimize a website like that. But also, what is it for? The website is for making orders. So basically, you can make orders on Amazon, and everyone knows how to do that. You hit the buy button. You buy now. Okay, now, who is it for? What do you do? And why should you care? Why you should care is Amazon provides fast shipping. They also have reviews. You should care because they are providing the information that you are looking for. And if you're looking for all the information on products to buy, you can absolutely do that. So those are just like small little ways that, you can, that's like one way you can like start to reformat the way your website is really just tackling your website intention. Who is this website for? What do you do? And what does the user do on the website? And why should they care? If you get those three things right, like literally, if you just get those three things right, you could have just a blank page. You've probably seen them, like funnels that are just like, just like headline, super clear, video, super clear about what they do. Like attention chiropractors. Video, this is why you should care. This is what we do for you. And why you should care is because you are leaking money today. Click below to do something, right? That's the intention. And of course, you want to have that call to action. Like, click here, buy now, do this, right? So submit a form for a consultation. But yeah, like if you get those three things right, what? The intention. What? Or no, who is the user? Who is this website built for? What does the user do? And why should the user care? Do those three things right, and you can absolutely, no matter if you have a beautiful design or not, you will get more results from your website, guaranteed. And I've been doing website development and website optimization for some of the biggest companies in the US. Made millions of dollars for them just by changing some small little tweaks on the site, putting myself in that user's shoes. So those are three intentional things that you can do today for your website. And you can absolutely get results regardless of the industry you're in. So if this was helpful and you need or you want help, more personalized help with your website, or just understanding how do I get more bang for the buck? How do I get more leads? How do I get more whatever? And you're just not sure where to go. For a limited time, I'm going to offer a personalized audit, right? So I will actually do a video on your website. You just comment down below your website URL, and then that's all you have to do. And I will just provide a video. So once again, Jonathan here, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.